Here's a quick video on how to do auto cutout using CapCut. You can use auto cutout to separate a person in a video from the background, even if the video wasn't shot in front of a green screen. I'm going to use this video here and use auto cutout to remove the background. Then I'll substitute the background with this video here. I'll drag the background video to the timeline first, then the other video on top. Click to select the top layer, then go to Video, Cutout, and then click Auto Cutout. And that's really the only step. You can see it punch through the background to reveal the layer below it. You can drag the corner and resize the top image so it looks like it matches the scene. Now I'll play the video back. And that's it for auto cutout. You can create other effects with auto cutout, like text behind a person or revealing text as someone walks by. I will show you that in a separate video, so look for that soon on my channel. Thanks for watching.